Hello, my friends. Just a quick intro here that I've gotten behind on my stickers, and just wanted to bring up a few. I picked up a Miyagi on the Trail, Miyagi and Trips. Also picked up a RVA Hiker Girl, Jacqueline. Thank you, Jacqueline. Elizabeth from Let's Go Liz. She sent me a couple of stickers. And Daniel Cash Hiking, Billy Bikes. Billy Bikes sent me a refrigerator magnet as well as some cards. Now, Unlikely Hiker, I did pick up, she had a giveaway and I won these fossils. Dan, Wandering Monk, he sent me his sticker, Stay on the Path. He also sent me a mug. How about that? And how about this for a unique? He sent me Wandering Monk socks. So all of these will go up on my sticker board. So this is new GoPro 10. This is my first video. I hope that it improves on the video as well as the audio. Now I'm at the Old Country Store, and I'm going up the hill to where FDR State Park starts, and then the Pine Mountain Trail mile mark of 0. So see you when I get up there. Okay, we're just getting started, and we're going to this 2.3, which is Dead Pine Campsite, 2.3 miles, where we'll camp and spend the night. Say hello, Mike.
Snack time.
Snack time. Mike, I don't see. Oh, Dead Pine. Oh, there it is. Dead Pine Campsite, 1 mile. Oh, Jesus. Couldn't get up. Mike bought meatball and just mashed them flat, already seasoned and everything. Good idea, Mike.
Oh, spike him. Spike him.
This is our setup. Same campsite, broken down, no tents, leave no trace. You can see where my tent was here. Mike's still in the process, but his tent was here. GoPro, stop recording.